SHINee. I heard SHINee's about to get hard. Pause, my boy. Pause, yo. But that's what it's called. It's called SHINee Hard. What's up? What? What?
That you had.
My bad. Why is SHINee getting hard? And why should I question them being hard?
What?
Okay. It's called hard. We got key on the keys. Damn, that sounded like a corny joke, but it's legit key on the keys. Wow. Okay. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE right now. Yo, Kuya Dre. I've been trying to react to SB19, but they keep on blocking my itch, so I can't really do much about it sometimes. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. SHINee. To all my second gens. Damn, SHINee be doing it for a minute. Like I said before, if you don't like SHINee's music, I can't really trust you in life. I'm not gonna lie, that's real talk. Anyways, captions, let's get it. Recording in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, wait a second, what? Turn this up. Was that long hair Taemin? I haven't seen long hair Taemin in a minute. Oh, I'm blind. Damn, you look good. I'm sorry. Look at them shoes. Are those Crocs? No, they're not. They're not. What is that? Edit. Bringing fire. We unstoppable. What am I watching? Are those keys as well? Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. Okay, Key, hit us with those bars. Ooh, this outfit though, with that beanie. Hold up. You got Taemin whispering in my ear like hard like a criminal. Hard. I'm so hard. Yo, you got him acting out like that. You got my mind acting out like that. I blame y'all. Anyways, let's move on. Oh, I like how he just talks to me. Just talk to me. Oh yeah, it's like some West Coast feel. Okay, gangsters. No. Not the harmonies of the heart. Okay, champion. Hey, talk it. I love the long hair with the beanie. Oh, okay. Okay, Key. Wait, what? Time of essence TikTok. Oh. Hey, this man stopped playing. What the hell is happening in the background? Ooh. Wait, hey. Like, okay, hold on. Let me go back for a second. No, hard like a beat. Okay, Minho. Hey. What else is hard? You could have said, okay, hard like a criminal. Some criminals are soft. Heard of a smooth criminal? But what else can be hard? Rocks, cement, one holds abs, math problems. Okay, it's tasty. Ooh, the piano's crazy. Ooh, okay. Oh, I got the blue hands. Oh, the keys are breaking. Oh, the blue is coming out. Piano blood. Ew. This is appealing to somebody. That goo on the piano. Oh, okay. They actually trying to be gangster. What is this? On some YG music video? Hold up. Hey. Oh, ooh, why they moving with it though? That move like that. No. Okay. This is a interesting concept for SHINee. Like I thought, "Don't Call Me" was already. Is that a Chrome Heart shirt? Hard. Is this the Is that the album called Hard? Oh, whoa! What is this? What is this? Is that Taman's fingers? They look like baby carrots. Whose fingers are those? I'm glad SM brought the little jump scare back. It didn't scare me, but you know, I'm glad it's brought back though. Whoa. My first reaction was like, whoa, hard like a criminal, hard like a beat. Hey, at first I thought SHINee's "Don't Call Me," I thought I was like a different change up. This is another change up. They said that we're not bounded. We're not bounded by anything. Hey yo, put in the comments down below what you guys think of SHINee's Hard MV. I don't know, that reminded me of like, you ever seen that video where they started humping the ground? I don't know how I came across that video. It was for like a stream, but I don't know. Hey yo, I can't wait to check out the album. Is the album already out? Let me double check. Hold up. What the hell does Juice sound like? Oh hell, wait, I gotta do a first listen to Hard. Put in the comments down below if you want a first listen on stream or on YouTube, basically both. I'm probably gonna do it on stream sometime soon this week. But like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE, your Kuya. Yes, I'm gonna start saying Kuya. Shout out to my Filipino fans too. Cause your boy is half Filipino, half Jamaican, and is old. Anyways, be sure to catch me on Twitch tonight, 5:30 p.m. PST. See you guys later. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.